first, a child should be thorough with alphabets and sounds. You need to find innovative ways to introduce them to alphabet and sounds. And once they are thorough with it, then only we should move ahead with CVC words. Now, what are CVC words? Is a word, three-letter word formed of consonant, vowel, and a consonant. So we teach this first thing to child after they are done with sounds because they are easy to read, segment, and blend. Okay, so if you saw in the presentation, what we did was we revised the alphabet and sounds, and then we segmented it. Like we helped the child to understand that, when you're reading a word, there are sound associated with it. So they should be concentrating, like when I say cat, they should be concentrating on k rather than concentrating on c. That will help them a lot, and even in future when they're writing words, that will help them in spellings as well. So once you're done with alphabet and sounds, my suggestion is go with segmenting. Give them little exercise to practice, beginning letter sounds, middle missing letter sounds, and the ending letter sounds. And once you feel they are confident and thorough, then go ahead with blending those sounds and form the word. So, like in the end, we tried doing r-atter. So, when they continuously say r-atter, it comes out rat. And then that helps
Rat.
child understand that, this is how you segment it and this is how you blend it. And believe me, that really helps in later stage when they are forming words. They don't need to, uh, they can form it themselves using those sound practice what they have done. And my suggestion is that don't push the child a lot. Let them explore, let them understand properly, then only go ahead with second stage. So when you're introduce them along with CVC words, sight words, and two-letter words. So now sight words are like when you read any reading comprehension or anything, you see some words like is, the, are, they, which are very common. So a child is expected to know it when they see it. So best thing is take a printout of at least five words in a week and stick it around everywhere and read it, at least once or twice a day. And my promise is there that in on fifth day your child would be able to recognize it. They have very good memory, and this photo memory helps a lot in learning
Yes.
things. Okay, then you should be going ahead with early readers comprehension. There's lots of data available. You can make it yourself, regard like a cat story, a small cat story consisting of only three and two-letter words and some sight words. So that helps them boost up their confidence and, encourages them that, oh yes, I can do that. And then help them then go ahead with another stage. Like, these, I think for this conference, it's not good to go ahead with other stages because both the kids are still learning sounds, right? But I'll let you know what is
Yes.
consonant digraphs. So English alphabet consists of 26 letters, right? But
Hmm.
ideally it has total 42 sounds which a child should know. So now the another stage is digraphs, consonant digraphs. So digraphs are nothing but when two letters make one sound, like C and H. They make one sound ch, right? P and H, two letters which make one sound f. So once the
Oh,
child is done with early reader comprehension, he would know cat is cat. But when C and H comes together, it becomes ch.
sure.
So you need to go stage by stage. So once child is thorough with that, he would not get confused that no, here it was ka, now it is becoming
Sure.
cha. They would not get confused.
Sure.
So you need to segregate your teaching in stepwise manner. So once you're done with consonant digraphs, there are many more things which goes in there, like consonant blending. And I think this is not the correct forum to go ahead with it. So
Okay.
I would open the forum for questions. If you both have anything, you can ask me. I will try my best to answer them.
Let me first start giving them alphabets and like teaching them alphabet sounds first,
Yes,
and maybe if
yes, sure.
uh,
So
I'll
once they are
find,
confident
because
with,
I don't know.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, go ahead.
because I don't know how they are going to respond to that learning, because they are not ready to sit and
Yes, I
learn
understand,
something.
because these
So
children are very small, and the most important thing is they have very short period of attention, just 5 to 10 minutes,
huh,
and believe me, they will not work more than that. So you need to take help of all the memory. Only, like, when we write, that's called muscle memory. When we see something, that's called photo memory.
huh.
And videos also help a lot, so I'm sure
So
you
I'll
can
have to stick.
yes, you need
Yeah.
to find innovative ways and help them, like, muscle memory. You can give them some dal or rice in a plate and ask them to form a letter there, and help them that
Okay.
apart from letter, it's a sound as well,
Hmm.
and stick pictures and stick to one alphabet a day, and that will really help them to retain it for long.
Okay, fine. I'll start doing it from today itself.
Yes. Okay.
No
Okay.
questions from my side.
Okay, fine then. Thanks a
Thank
lot
you
for
so much, Parul. Yeah,
it.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
I want to ask one question. Sorry.
Yes,
What
yes,
do you
tell me.
think by now interacting with our children? At what stage you feel they are?
No, they are good. Actually, you cannot decide like this,
No,
because most
I mean,
important thing is that when are they ready to attend the class. Sometimes they have their own. They are in their own world. So they are, if they are not in mood to attend, and they are not speaking, they are not attentive. Even if they know, they will not answer, right? But yes, I am
right.
sure both of them, both the kids, three kids, all of them are doing good, and you should follow, go stepwise. Don't pressurize them. Don't let them feel that you are teaching them. Let them feel that you are enjoying whatever things. If they like animals, suppose, so relate everything to animals. Give them picture to draw. Whole day you can give them pictures to color, whatever things they like, and that will really help them to understand things. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much for
Yeah,
attending.
thank you
Yeah.
so much. Thank you
Yes,
so
thank you
much.
so much. Bye bye.
Bye.